Hi, this is Clint. Today I'm going to show you another amazing attraction that I visited when I was in Thailand. This is a place called the Sanctuary of Truth. Now, it's located right by the ocean in Pattaya, Thailand. It looks like a temple from the outside, but it really isn't a temple because it's not an active place in worship. It does have themes with religion though. In fact, once you go inside, you're going to see there are different themes from Buddhism, Hinduism, as well as different Chinese religions. What's really interesting about the Sanctuary of Truth is the entire building is made of wood. In fact, it's made of many different wooden carvings. There are no windows here, so the building does have openings, like balconies and doorways that are completely exposed to the elements of weather. As a result, over time, different sections of the building have deteriorated. They have to have on-site, full-time staff to continuously create new sections to replace the deteriorating sections. Therefore, all visitors who are coming to the Sanctuary of Truth have to actually wear hard hats because technically the whole site is a construction site under renovation. To visit the Sanctuary of Truth, you have to take one of their on-site tours, and these tours are in different languages. It's included in the admission price. They first take you to an area where you can see the on-site workers are. These are really skilled, really talented people. They're working on the new carvings that will be used as replacement parts for the sections of the building that has deteriorated. So you'll see all these carvings, the new carvings being made. And then once they take you closer to the main building, you're going to see just how detailed the wooden carvings are, both on the exterior and also the interior. In fact, I found it mind-boggling. After a while, it just became, wow, there's so much detail in all these carvings. It's actually overkill, but still, I really enjoyed and appreciated the work that was put in there. Once you're inside the structure, you can follow your tour group around, and then you can kind of break away at points, and that's what I did. Sometimes when I saw something really interesting, I wanted to take my own videos and photos, and then I found the group a little bit later on, and there's no problem with that. Once you're inside, you can do your own thing, but you still have to keep wearing your hard hat.
Feel
You can stay at the Sanctuary of Truth, both the inside, and you can walk around outside, admire the artwork as long as you want, as long as the site is still open. Now, when you're finished with that, don't forget to check out this garden right beside the main building. It's a little Buddhist garden with their own little statues, some interesting plants, and also a big gong that you can ring. And it's a beautiful garden, especially given that it's right beside the ocean. Now, there is one thing I have to admit I didn't like at the Sanctuary of Truth. Also on site outside, they had a few elephants there for elephant riding. Now, if you saw my video and article about my visit to the elephant sanctuary, then you know by now, elephant riding is considered in many circles to be unethical. So I ignored that part. That's the one thing I didn't really like at the Sanctuary of Truth. But otherwise, it's an amazing place to visit. If you're in the Bangkok or Pattaya area, I highly recommend doing a trip to the Sanctuary of Truth. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video.